boys that the girls make noise. Fuck the boys that the girls make. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. Fuck the boys that the girls make. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. Fuck the boys that the girls make. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. That the girls make noise. That the girls make noise. Put the world in a trance, pants on, still delirious. What's a bad bitch to a queen? I'm serious. Wave a flag red for the blood that I shed. Don't ever fuck it up, it's my choice, so I bet. Making noise for the girls in the back who won't say it. Boys living whack, fake ego, fake players. Be a boss, baby, I'll do your thing, minimize. Sufficient feature, woman, deity, freedom clad. Shake a shack aside, through your shame in the river. Only truth is what I aim to deliver. Living in a world they say belong to men, but I see women running, so please come again. Me no wanna sound rude, me no I just too wanna sound the daily rules. When my mommy share you, your opinion doesn't matter if they gossip and better. Double standards as the past, I'm a woman, fake slender. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. Fuck the boys that the girls make. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. Fuck the boys that the girls make. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. Fuck the boys that the girls make. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. That the girls make noise. That the girls make noise. Receipts, read me your receipts. Receipts, read me your receipts. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. No pussy on a pedestal, still come poised. Putty 95 in mouth, get a shorty like Lloyd. Let a boy be a fan, turn him on to a toy. Turn him on to a toy. Turn him on to a toy. Let the boy be a fan, turn him on to a toy. Turn him on to a toy. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. Fuck the boys that the girls make. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. Fuck the boys that the girls make. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. Fuck the boys that the girls make. Fuck the boys that the girls make noise. That the girls make noise. That the girls make noise.
Yo, why every nigga gotta call every chick a hoe? Not every chick is a hoe. Just cause she fuck a few niggas doesn't mean she a hoe. Nigga, is you a hoe? No, nigga, every nigga wanna dap you up cause you hit so-and-so, cause you did what and what with who and who. Shut the fuck up. You stay talking about bitches with no ass, you got no fucking legs. Talking about 5'6" foot ass nigga. Fuck you.
I got it. Yeah. Check it. Yeah. Yeah. Check it. I come through in the vintage outfit, makeup and hair done, jeans and blouse shit. Correct the chick quick if she try and doubt shit. I'm a home wrecker, I'll fuck your spouse, bitch. Gagging real good with the strap and the pistol. Turn his ass over, I'ma see what that whip do. Ain't too worried about what them balls and that dick do. Got this nigga hard like a number 2 pencil. I'm into making niggas beg for the coochie. Eat my ass good, buy me gifts out of Gucci. Let the bitch smoke, buy me 50 cent Lucy's. And I ain't never talking to a nigga in a hoopty unless he looking real sexy. Feeling on my tuck, singing that he wanna bless me. Sorry little daddy, but your car looking sketchy. Cough up with your fun so I can shop with my bestie. Hit the 5th Ave, Bentley coupes and Fendi bags. Get door dressed, wait for the cab. Yeah, I'm feeling sick, got a tight jean on the head. Heading to the scene on the dead. Now they taking pigs, all up in my face, I'm pissed. $50 each for a flick. Loaded Kim and kids, on the dance floor in the mix. If you the host, then put me on your list. These hoes can't compete cause I'm fly. Mad as fuck every time I walk by, but they can't fuck with the QUAY. DASH Queen the NY. These hoes can't compete cause I'm fly. Mad as fuck every time I walk by, but they can't fuck with the QUAY. DASH Queen the NY. Nigga, fuck the predicament. I'm the reason you're moving all of your ligaments. If you not feeling my flows, my rhythms, then why you bopping your head with all your niggas then? I know you dig my style, my flows. Rapping ill bars, that's the way shit go. Reppin' BX and fuck 5-0. I need to buy the brick of that Pacino, cause I'm ready to sell it. Making y'all niggas jealous, ain't no shit you can tell it. Rolling L's with the fellas, huh? Who you loving, who you wanna be hugging? Saying that she was your wifey and she really your cousin. Y'all niggas bugging, y'all on that shit. So put the pipe down, take a drink and sip. I gotta go now, will you please don't trip? And 1, 2, 3, get up off them dicks. These hoes can't compete cause I'm fly. Mad as fuck every time I walk by, but they can't fuck with the QUAY. DASH age queen of NY. These hoes can't compete cause I'm fly. Mad as fuck every time I walk by, but they can't fuck with the QUAY. DASH queen of NY. And 1, 2, 3, get the both them dicks. And 1, 2, 3, get the both them dicks.
Okay guys, let's slow it down because this video was like sped up like crazy. Okay, so I feel like myself. Oh my god, like it's been so, and if I'm talking low again, it's because it's late. I don't know what is my obsession with filming late, but you know, when I'm in New York, I film late also. I don't know, it's just when I'm off. I was off all day today, so when I'm off, I usually use the daytime to sleep, watch my shows, and clean. I'm gonna suck it up. I think someone fell. I heard a loud thump. Okay. So it was between this wig. I bought this wig from home. This is by, I actually have the card right here. This one is by Motress Let's Lace Wig Deep Part Lace. One of my favorite blonde wigs, and I have a lot of blonde wigs, but one of my favorite synthetic blonde wigs because it's the perfect length. It's 40 inches, says it on here, and it's just the middle part straight. It's nice and tight on the head and snug. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed, so like, and it looks human. Like it doesn't, this hair doesn't look like a synthetic. It looks like a human wig. I did a review on this. If you want to see like the full review, me putting it on, etc, etc, I will link it in my description box because I definitely did a video on this like months ago. So it was between this wig and Bobby Boss's Bold Bang series, which is this one, and you guys have seen with this. I literally will link this one down below as well, but I did a review on this one like a month ago, actually, like maybe August, I believe. I don't remember, but it looks like this. It's just the color same as this, 613, and it has bangs. I thought maybe bangs will look cuter because I have a headband to go with this. I'll put that on in a minute. I thought bangs will look cute with this, but I don't know. I feel like I've worn this wig out. This is my favorite wig, so I've done like a lot with this wig. I've worn it on my Instagram a few times, and even though it's like my favorite, I feel like I kind of missed the middle part, so I'm like debating. It's really, really hard if I should do, I'm having a crisis right now. So I'm gonna just take this off. It's very tight. That's what I love about it. So I'm gonna take this off and let me put this one on. Oh, okay. Wow, this one looks nice too. Okay. I hate these bangs sometimes because like the hair from the top comes and then it gets in the face, and I don't know where my little brush is at, so I'm gonna have to use this fat one. Oh, gosh. Okay. Yeah, this is my Black China Nicki Minaj inspired hair. Do I have my scissors? No, I don't have my scissors because I have to cut some hairs in the, I could just pull them. Oh my gosh, I don't even know like what wig to wear. I'm having a crisis right now. Like this one is like, I don't know. This one is really pretty and it's given, I pull this up a little. It's giving Nicki Black China, like old school Nicki. I feel like a Super Bass. I feel like Nicki Minaj and Super Bass. Don't that look like her look in Super Bass? She had like the onesie. It wasn't like this, but with the blonde hair. Maybe I could get away with saying, if anybody asks, who are you? I'm Nicki Minaj from Super Bass, right? Even though I'm a sexy cat, you know, I can like say that. And the only reason why I'm super boring this year is because I didn't even really feel like being extra. The last year was Barbie, and I had to like prepare Barbie's box because I was in Barbie's box. Here's a picture. And yeah, so I mean, it didn't really take much to do that costume. I just had to build her whole box and then get myself ready, which was fast and easy. But me, I mean, maybe one year I'll do it crazy and like do like a character or something, but usually I just want to be cute. I just want to be in pink with a blonde wig and just be cute. I don't really care for the extra stuff. I love seeing celebrities do it. I'm like, wow. But if I had a whole team and stuff, I would do it. Maybe I could do it myself if you guys have faith in me. But anyway, so I don't know what wig to wear. I'm having a crisis right now. Thankfully, it's a Sunday and it's not Halloween yet. But okay, let me try on the headband. So this is the little headband it comes with, and it's so cute. And I will put it on like that. And I have my little, you know how the cats wear the little chokers? This is my little choker. Wow, this one is pretty. I'll put it up like that. Wow, I love this color, but I'm having a crisis right now. I don't know. But what I'm about to do is I'm about to text my mom and my sister and send them both videos and tell them to choose, because I don't know which one to do and it's pissing me off. I wish I would have bought just one of them so I had no choice but to wear it, but because I have options now, it's making it, and don't ask me to pick anything because I'm indecisive. And I'm about to send this to my coworker and ask which one should I wear. In the meantime, let me spray my face with setting spray. Take this off so this doesn't get wet. So I'm using Sheen setting spray from Sheet Glam. I have a little left, but to set my face. I'm back and I text at least 5 people on my phone. And I sent them 2 videos and I said, pick one, bangs or this one. And everyone said bangs. And I'm not sad, but what about this? Like, this is cute. Gonna mix literally 2 lip glosses together, which is gonna be this NYX Butter Gloss in Merengue. Oh no, this is in Clear. So this is the in Clear, and then this is by Juvia's Place, and this is the color. This is the color So Glazed, and it's like a shimmery pink. So I'm gonna put this on and then top it with the shimmery pink. That's the only glosses I like and religious too. So I'm gonna do it like that, and do a little on the top, and then press it together. Okay. Not too much because I'm really not going nowhere right now, so I don't want to overdo it, but I am going to be taking pictures and all that stuff, get all that out the way so I could just focus on partying on Halloween night. This today is just for pictures. I'm going to top it with the So Glazed lip gloss, and it's so thick. It gives that pretty shimmery effect. And I love it. Now, I want to show you guys the shoes I'm wearing. So I bought 3 pairs of shoes. 3 pairs of shoes. I bought 3 pairs because the first 2 didn't fit. And it's not like I bought 3 in one. I bought 1, they didn't fit. I bought another, they didn't fit. I rush shipped the 3rd one, and I was so lucky because I rush shipped all of them, so they all came pretty early. And on Dolls Kill, which I got everything from Dolls Kill, they give you a time limit when to purchase before they shut it off for Halloween. And the shoes literally came on Friday. It's Sunday. It came on Friday and I bought it on Thursday. So this was the one that I was gonna wear with this outfit. Very cute, right? As you can see, it's very pointy. And my dumb self forgets that I have wide feet. I have my mom's feet and we have very wide. My brothers laugh at me and they say I have Fred Flintstone feet. I have legs big enough to feed a whole country. Yeah, that's what they make fun of me and say. Anyway, so the shoes are very narrow. It fit me. I got a size 9. I'm an 8.5, but I got a 9 because they probably run small. And as far as the foot, it fit me. The shoe wasn't even an issue. It was just like, it's like this part right here, and it's not stretchy. It said it was stretchy online. Now this part is stretchy. And this foot over my calf and everything, this was stretchy. But this part wasn't stretchy. It was really stiff, and I couldn't fit my feet in it. And I'm so mad because they was giving very Catwoman vibes. As you could, like, isn't this giving Catwoman? This is giving Catwoman with this outfit. Perfect. And I can't wear it because it doesn't fit, so I'm returning it. But these, and as you can see, look how long they are. They would have came all the way up to my whole thigh. And this was the second one. These were beautiful, gorgeous, amazing, fabulous shoes. These are me. This is me embodied in a shoe. This is me in a shoe. The chunky heel was perfect. The size were perfect. It fit me perfectly. I just couldn't zip up my ankle. It literally, this whole part zips up. It stopped up to here. I couldn't zip it up any further. I did not know my legs were that thick. Either my legs are that thick or these shoes are for skinny leg girls. But I was so mad that these didn't fit because this would have went perfect with my outfit. Here is a quick look at my body. Yaddy, 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 yaddy. My waist trainer is holding my belly on for dear life. Child, I cannot wait until I get enough money to get my tummy tuck. All of that good stuff. That's why I'm on this assignment, child. Anyway, look at my little body and my suit. I got my feet mask on for my peeling crusty feet from working so many damn hours. Don't mind them. But this is how I look on my body. Last but not least, my purse for the night, which is my pumpkin purse. And I got her from Doll's Kill. And isn't she so cute? Look at her. She's so cute and she's pink and she's glittery. And just look at my little pumpkin purse. But yeah, with my pumpkin purse. And I'm ready for the night. I just want to drink and take shots. And I don't know how drunk I'm gonna get because I have to work the next morning. And I'm 32. I'm not a college kid, you know, so I don't want to get super drunk and crazy, but there's enough drinks to have fun and take pics and then off to bed to go work at the slave plantation. Let me not say that. Also work to work. But thank you guys for watching. This was fun. I feel like Chrissy J again. I've been here a month and like you'll see in my, I'll probably post this before I post the 1 month update video. Yeah, I will. So you'll see in that video, but I felt like the life has been sucked out of me since I've been working here and I haven't felt like my fabulous self, and it's got me a little depressed because I'm used to just being fabulous. And my skin has gotten rough, my hands hurt, my feet hurt, my back hurt, like, so you'll see it in the 1 month update. So it's nice to dress up and feel and look like how I usually look and, you know, when I'm home. So, and I'm sad because I wish I was in New York because, oh my God, the parties in New York. I would have been in Brooklyn with reggae and tunes and it would have been so fun. Follow me on Instagram for all my Halloween look and what parties I attend and all that extra stuff behind the scenes stuff. I have 2 other videos coming up. When I get the time and energy, child, we'll film some more. But until then, see you on my next one. Happy Halloween.